Hi sisters.
Welcome back to Hannah's vlog.
Today we are unboxing and doing our first impressions of the James Charles X Morphe palette. As you can see, it's quite big, quite luscious, and quite extra. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So basically, very beautiful, very luscious. On the back, we have a little message. I'll read it out to you. So it says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colourful, outside the box makeup. And I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist, James Charles." And then on the side we have a Morphe X James Charles. Both sides actually, you can open it. The front, this is like a sort of a glossy sort of material, and he is obviously looking extremely stunning on the package. So we open it. I must admit I have already opened this because I couldn't wait. So we have some bubble wrap, keep it nice and protected. Hello. I do have the right way. So we obviously have a matte black casing with a glossy sort of finish to the Morphe and James Charles. Very chic, very love it. It is magnetic when you open it, love that. So then we have our palette with our shade names. So I'm just gonna go through them really quick. So we have Canvas, Ring Light, So Good, 518, Rusted, Halloween. Then we have Wig, Tea, Punch Me, Sister, Mary, Literally, You're Kidding, Shook, Boutique, Benny. Then we have Flashback, Face, Tune, Code James, 10% off, No Beans, Spooky, B, Guac, Hello, Playground, Brother, Artistry, Love That, Pinkity Drinkity, Social Blade, Daddy. Then we have Cape Cod, Cola, Acapella, Escape, Single, and Skip. So those are all our shade names. Kind of living. I kind of want to create sort of like, nice like sort of pinky, sort of coolish vibe, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Pinkity Drinkity just on a brush. I have put the, what is it? The Morphe Eye Primer Translucent on my eyes, just because James did recommend that we put some eye primer on our eye instead of concealer because the results will be better. I know I bought it for $8, so I'm just gonna put that kind of all over. I just poked myself in the eye with the brush. That was intense. This is a light pinky shade, so I'm not sure it's gonna turn out the best on my skin tone, but you know, we're gonna work it, sister. I am just gonna blend that sort of up as I go so we don't sort of end up with like a droopy eye look. I might take some of Mary. Then I'm just gonna take that, where am I taking that? I'm gonna take that in the outer corner. Oh, that's a nice like sort of pinky shade. That's just going on. I'm gonna kind of pop that in there. I don't really know much about makeup, but these are very nice, honestly. Like, living. Like, that's such a nice color. Hello. It's a very, like, sort of dusty pink, which is what I'm really into at the moment. Especially for summer. I feel like pinks are just really nice, just like chocolate, and it can make any outfit look nice. I'm just gonna blend that down to my little lashes to kind of create a bit of just consistency throughout the look. Just gonna grab a little brush like this. I'm gonna try and take a bit of like No Beans. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, take it off, top of the excess. Hello. Now I'm gonna pop that in the corner. Oh, that's nice. I just deepen up the crease. I'm just going to take Pinky Drinky just to try and blend that one out just a tad more. Beautiful! That did just like deepen out the crease a bit more. I love that. That's so nice. Hello. Then we want to take, what colors am I going to do? Do I want to do, what do I want to do like here? Do I want to do sort of like, do I want to take, what do I want to take? Oh, it wasn't Rust I was going to take, it was Halloween. Do I want to take Halloween or do I want to take more of like a goldy sort of colour? Maybe a gold would be nice. Maybe, I think so. I think, yeah, that's a good idea. So I'm just gonna take the, oh, So Good. That's what I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take So Good on my brush. Then I'm just gonna grab my setting spray, or what I like to substitute as a setting spray, which is the Morphe facial spray with aloe, chamomile and lavender. That's what I do use to set my face. So I just multitask. I'm just gonna dab that on. Oh, that's nice. That is so pretty. I'm actually in love with this. Like, Caitlin Milligan, you doubted my skills. That looks so good. Hello. Hello. I'm just gonna take a bit of canvas because it is quite similar to my colour. I'm just gonna pop that just at the top of my, sort of like near my brow, just so I can sort of blend that pink through a little bit. Just so it doesn't look as like at the top. Because I do have quite small eyelids, so it is hard sometimes. I'm just gonna take a little bit more Pinky Drinkity and just run that back through the crease. Just creating that nice look. I can't get over how good this kind of looks. Hey, hello. I'm just gonna take a bit more of Mary. Tap the excess. Just put that back in that corner and just blend out again. Blending up, blending over. Just blending that with So Good so it doesn't kind of look like it's just. So I'm going to take some of Mary and just put that under my lower lash line, like so. I'm going to take some of a ring light. I'm just going to take some of that and just pop that in the inner corner, I think. Okay, I'm just going to go do this other eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys! So this is the completed look. I did add some more of So Good on this eye. I found a technique that kind of worked out so I was a bit stronger. So basically I just kind of put some on the brush, then I sprayed it, then I put some more on the brush, and then that kind of just added a bit more of sparkle, which is what we wanted for a bit of a glam look, you know? I'm actually loving this palette. I do want to try a bit of Sister. Apparently this is a very nice highlighting shade, unless I got the wrong one, but I'm fairly sure it's this one. So I'm just going to take a bit of that onto my brush, hello, and then I'm just going to highlight with it. Hello? Sister. It is honestly stunning. Like, do you see that? Do you see? It's a weird head angle. Like, do you see it? It's so pretty. Okay, this one's a bit better of an angle. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's so nice. It's so good. It's so good. It's so nice. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take a bit of that onto my nose, onto the cupid's bow. my god, oh my god, I love it. So I think that's pretty much done. What I do want to do though is take one of this. By the way, most of my brushes, the gold ones at least, are all Napoli headers. Crystal's present, you know. So I do want to take a bit of ring light. And I just want to pop that up there into this one. Also be a really nice highlighting shade. Just a bit of brown highlight here. Hello. That is so nice. It's so nice. So I think that is my completed look. I am going to add a bit of mascara. I was going to do fake lashes, but I'm untalented, so I'm obsessed. That's what I am. I'm obsessed. Okay. I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to set this look with some setting spray. So my thoughts on this palette are that I absolutely love it. I know that I don't usually do these sort of traditional videos out of my like 4 videos that I have, maybe 3, who knows. But I just say like, it's just so beautiful. Actually smells really good. That's not like, I don't know, is that unusual for a palette, an eyeshadow palette? I don't know. Anyways, this just like, other than that, if this was like, okay, I did mainly purchase this because it was James Charles. I want to support him, support sister. But I must say, I do actually really love this palette. I love my friends, Caitlin Milligan, did doubt my talents, my eyeshadow talent. Well, not my eyeshadow talents, just because he did sort of warn about the blendability of the colors. I'm not sure if I actually did use any of the pressed pigments, but from like what I can tell, this palette is like amazing. All the colors blend out so well. I will say that No Beams was a little bit hard to blend out, but honestly I just got it on a little brush, dabbed it in the outer corner, got a little bit of it on a bigger brush, blended it out, and then blended it out with that first original Pinky Drinky that we use as our like transition shade, you know. But honestly, like, it's just, I'm just so proud, you know. I know it sounds dumb because I have like 20 followers. Not even, it's like 17. But I just love it. Like, I'm just so proud. I would repurchase this. If James ever cancels this, I'm repurchasing it like 4 times because I need this in my life. I'm really excited to use more of the sort of more colourful ones in hopefully future videos. Maybe we could do like a Fiona from Shrek look, much like our Smurf look. But I'm just like, I love this. I really do. And I'm so happy I bought it. I can't even describe how much I enjoy this palette and how pretty this looks. Like, this will be like, see me wear this all the time now because this eyeshadow look is so pretty, so nice and blendable and so pigmented. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please tune in next time and have a wonderful exam period.